Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search button. You can see this is search. Then enter your model number which is required to driver H310M H and then hit enter. Then click on product. Scroll down, find out H310M. Then go to second page. Then third. Then next. This one. Okay, just click it. Then click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So first audio driver, you can see this is Realtek audio driver. Select operating system, Realtek audio driver. Okay, and always try to latest. So this is size. Click to download. It will start downloading. So click on download. It is completed. Then guys, chipset. So first try to download and after that install. Okay, this is, and click to download, and same thing, just Intel and download it. Okay, just then this is LAN, Realtek LAN driver. So one by one all download first and try it, after that install it. This is a graphic card driver and click to download. You can see this is all the downloading start, so it will complete for wait. Then guys, it is download all one by one. Okay, then open this folder which is downloaded. So this is downloaded. So first download and then try to install. So this is graphic card, then open it. Open, and this is installer, so right click to open. And then click to run. Then click on yes. Then bring installations, click on this. Now you can see this is pre-install, setup, install, and done. So you just next to install, and after that completed, just install it. Okay, then this one, the Wi-Fi driver, open it, double click to open, then click on yes. Now this is installing. So then next to install and then finish it. And this one, then open it, then click on yes. Now this is installing. So it is closed, means this is done. Then chipset driver, and just double it and select this and right click to open, run. Then click on yes. Then next, accept, then install. Now this is installing. After it's completed, then try to next. Then it is done and close. And LAN driver, right click and open. Then click on yes. Now this is audio driver installing. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then last one, double click to open. Then click to yes. Then it is closed, means this is installed. Then restart your system.